Get your career kick-started today. Welcome to the Career Channel. Let's work together to maximize your potential and boost your income. Introducing yourself at a job interview is a crucial first impression. Your introduction should be concise, engaging, and provide the interviewer with a positive sense of who you are and why you're a strong candidate for the position. It's important that you tell your story as it's unique to you and will make you stand out from the other candidates. A good story will stay in the minds of the recruiter and should really express your passion and individuality. It's crucial to get off to a good start. Be bright and enthusiastic. Acknowledge everyone in the meeting with equal status and demonstrate good manners. They may be interviewing lots of people, so here's how to get their attention. Just quickly, please subscribe to the channel. It motivates us to keep bringing you great content. Thank you so much. Right, let's get on with the video. Start with a greeting. Begin with a polite and professional greeting. If you know the interviewer's name, use it. Good morning, thank you very much for the invitation to come and interview with you today. I very much appreciate the opportunity. State your name and offer to give a bit of background about yourself. This is usually the opening question anyway, and a good way to ease into the interview. Mention your current role or recent studies. Provide a brief overview of your current role or your educational background. If you're currently employed, state your job title and the name of your current employer. If you're a recent graduate or in a transition, mention your most recent educational or professional experience. For example, I am currently working as, and give a brief overview, or I recently completed my studies in. Highlight relevant experience. Briefly touch on your recent experience or skills that make you a strong fit for the position. You can mention a specific accomplishment or a relevant project you've worked on. Be concise and focus on what's most pertinent to the role you're interviewing for. Express enthusiasm for the role. Convey your enthusiasm and interest in the position. Mention why you're excited about the opportunity and the company. This demonstrates that you've done your research and are genuinely interested in the role. For example, if applying for a role in a hospital, I am interested in this role as I grew up with a sibling who was unwell and spent a lot of time in and out of hospital. I've learned to appreciate the hard work of the staff and what it takes to make things work well behind the scenes. You could equally talk about a product or service of the company interviewing you and how you came across it or use it. What did you like about it? How does their business inspire you? They need to get a sense of commitment and genuine interest in the role from you. End with a transition. Transition from your introduction to the rest of the interview. Express your eagerness to discuss your qualifications in more detail or to answer any questions the interviewer may have. You can say, I'm looking forward to discussing how my skills and experience align with the requirements of this role. I've read through the job description and I really believe it's a great fit for both parties. I know I won't let you down as I can really see myself here and what a great opportunity this would be for both of us to benefit. Maintain professionalism. Throughout your introduction, maintain a professional and confident tone. Maintain good posture, make eye contact and speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Also ensure that your body language is positive and welcoming. As nervous as you may feel, take your time and pause if you need to. If you have your introduction well practiced, it will help to get you through this part of the interview. Once you pull off this strong start, it will build your confidence for the rest of the interview and help you manage your nerves. Practice and prepare. Before the interview, practice your introduction to ensure it's clear and well structured. Consider rehearsing with a friend or in front of a mirror. Tailor your introduction to the specific job you're applying for and the company you're interviewing with. Memorize a few brief details about them, a new project you have read about, a new product line or something relevant to show your knowledge and efforts to research. Be concise. Keep your introduction concise. Aim to keep it to a couple of minutes. The goal is to provide an overview without overwhelming the interviewer with too much information. Stick to your plan and have your story that you want to convey clear in your mind. This will help keep you on track and avoid going off into a waffle. Your intro may be longer if asked questions by the panel about your elements of your introduction. Remember that your introduction sets the tone for the entire interview. It should be a confident and engaging start that invites the interviewer to learn more about you and your qualifications for the position. It's like a good movie or book. If it starts boring, people switch off. Get them interested in you early. Talk about your personal ambitions and triumphs. Let them know you mean business and want that job. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you, we really appreciate you. Why not stop by the store for some premium merch? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.